Hi guys, welcome to my home. We moved to this house in December. I wanted to show you how my office looks. There is a separate office for me in this house. I wanted to show you that today. I'm standing in the living room now. Behind me there, that door takes me to my room. Let me show you how my room is. Okay, that's the door to my room, and I got that thing from Kurti. Let's just take you into my room. There you go. That's my room. This corner I have a small workstation kind of thing. Those are Krishna's bags, laptop bags. On top of it there is a storage area. Let me show you what all are there and how I kept them. So I've segregated my stuff in these baskets. This one has some extra stuff which I rarely use. This one has some colors, paints and chalk piece, all those kind of things. Kiara's and mine together. This one has all the tapes, double-sided tapes, normal tape and punching machine, candles, all those kind of things. This clock is not working. This one is a kind of sentimental thing. My dad bought it to me when I was in +1, +2 time. So it's with me. I need to get it repaired. I have this stands, this one for pencils, that one for all my black pens. And this one is scissors. All these are Kiara's. Here I have a small bucket which holds all my glues. On top of it, this one is my tailoring machine box. I have my scissors. This one holds all my tapes. In that I have small stationery again. Oh yeah, there is one more box under that. This one has all the tools in the house which we need. Let's move to the other part. When we look down, there is one more storage area. All this area belongs to Krishna. Yeah, all this is Krishna's. Yay, there you go, you can see me. Yeah, I live in boxes because they are very comfortable. You get to see only till here. I have the full mirror here. It's easy for me to look into. And those origami fish are made by me. I'm not happy with the placement. I might change it in the future. Let's look what we have inside there. On the top I have all my photographs there. These are all color papers for craft and all, printing and everything. And here we have all the files, Krishna's, mine and Kiara's. These are my old portfolio, and those are just notebooks, old notebooks. This one I have my handicrafts here. That one is one of my oldest clock, my favorite one, which is not working right now, so I have to get that repaired. And in the bottom rack we have all the backpacks which we generally use for shopping or when we are going out a little, if we have to carry something a little more. Let's see what we have in the other rack. Yeah, I have lot of fabric. Yeah, that's how it's kept right now. I still have to work on those, but yeah. In this rack I have my camera equipment. That's my camera equipment, stands and everything. This is my laptop bag. That's my old laptop. Yeah, that's how it is. Let's look into these drawers. This one has all my old painting books and my drawings and everything. And in here I have some extra bags, some umbrella, yeah, some extra stuff which I don't use much. That's my tailoring machine. That's my ring light. This is again all craft items. I still have to segregate that. This box has more craft items. Yeah, still need to segregate. Medicines, craft items, medical files. Yeah, that's the glue. This here I have my printer. Those are from Jaipur and all. Yeah, that's again one of my DIY project. I don't wanted to throw it, so I kept it. I still have to decide if I want to use it in the room or not. That's my college portfolio. All those are my old notebooks. That's my last year's calendar from Pepper Fry. Those can be planted, so I kept them. So craft items, more craft items, some college books. Let me show you the other side of the room. I've just shown you this side of the room. Now I have my potty form there, and this setup exactly over here. You must have seen it in all my latest videos. That's my video background there. That's a graphic print from old work, so I framed it and kept it there. I like autos, so one of it is there. Okay, let me take you through these. Those are cane cushions. On top of them I kept all my magazines. This one is a trunk box. Inside that I have lot of my college books and some crafts and everything else inside that. And you can see the cushions. That's a dustbin from Fab India. I really like that print, so I kept it. And these mats or handmade mats, those are like my collection. I keep them very carefully. I use them for decoration generally. And you can see that thing, that's my umbrella. As you can see here, this is a stand covered with the handmade mat. I already told you, right? Those all mats, I keep using them as decoration. Here I have that wooden box. That's a gift from my earlier employer. That's a very good handmade box. I don't know what kind of wood it is. I forgot that. Okay, here I kept one aloe vera plant. I really like them. This one is a ceramic thing. I used to keep candles inside, but now I don't want to have fire around here, so I kept these lights. That's a DIY. I did it recently. Yeah, I like these twinkly lights. This one is again a DIY. That's a bottle covered with wool. Okay, this one is again handmade wooden bird. I really love it. I took it like 20 years back, saving it very carefully. Now you must be wondering what's inside this. Let me show you. Yay! It looks messy, right? Yeah, but this is my charging station. Apple Watch, Apple mobiles, everything, every wire is inside here. So we keep everything to charge over here. And more magazines, more magazines. That's how this whole thing is set. Now let's move on to the other wall. Here I kept these DIY things. You must have seen this DIY in my old videos. Whatever DIY I made into a video, I'll leave the links in the description box. Go check them out. Okay, let's move on. This area I really like, and I asked you guys and you all said it's very pretty. So I'm going to keep this area as it is. But this wall here in between, it looks very empty. I'm planning to do something over here. Yeah, if I do something, I will make a video and I'll show you guys. Okay, let me take you to my work area. That's my office desk. That table is a very old teak wood dining table. I never wanted to give it away because that's a very old and good wood, and it's very useful. This chair, I never had it before. When we moved to this house, I bought it. I have this box here. If you look into it, all messy, lip balms and all those kind of things inside. That's a book. I need to refer it, but I generally don't do it. But yeah, that's a really good book, gift from my brother. And my mobile, that's a mannequin. I'm supposed to use it for sketching, but I've never done that. I have to do that. If you remember, this box is also a DIY. I'll leave a link in the description box. Here you can see all small pots. These different shaped pots are all collection from Hyderabad. That boy, those legs, that one had a body also, but that somebody broke it. Kondapalli wooden box. This one is a brass handicraft. This one is a gift from my brother. That's a Valentine gift from me to Krishna. Yeah, we used to do all these things. If you haven't watched my latest video about Valentine's Day, yeah, leave the link in the description box. Please go check that out. Here I have a big window from where I get all the light. I get to see greenery there and some sky and birds. I really like to see all that. This curtain, there are two of them. I never wanted to cover the window, so I kept it one side, and that's a bangle which is holding the curtain together. Oh, I forgot to show you this one here. These are from Bali. My earlier employer gifted them to me, and that's a spring man. I call him spring man. You can see these puppets which are from some mela. This one is made by me for my daughter. This one again is a DIY. There is a video about this. I'll leave the link. This one is made from one continuous wire bent into a cycle. That's a really amazing creation. So that's my computer. Oh yeah, this box has my spectacles. Yeah. Okay, if you look at that stool, that's a blue one. I don't like that color, but yeah, that's a intercom phone there, just next to my computer. So if someone calls, I can attend, because as I'm always there in my room. There is a small stool under the table. I keep my feet up onto that, and I have power backup thing under the table. Now moving to the other part of the last part of my room, I have this rocking chair here. It's a very old one. It's a teakwood rocking chair. I call it Rocky. If you look around, you will see so much ikat happening there, all over there. Okay, let me tell you, I love ikat. I tend to use it more in my home overall, and nowadays yellow is my favorite. If you have noticed, there is a lot of yellow happening here. By the way, I'm sitting on this thing, the trunk and the cushions. This is the seating area in my room. If someone comes, they can sit here properly, and on the opposite side I have my Rocky. So there is a lot of sitting place in this room. I really like that part about this, because I can have people inside this room. If you sit here, they can directly see into my computer. So this can be a really good place for meetings also. I wanted this room to be a fun place where we can just sit and work, listen to music, all that. This room is not complete. I'm not completely happy with this. I need to add some more things to this room. I will do that soon, and I might do a part 2 of my room tour. I hope you like this tour. Let me know in the comments below. If you like any part of this, please do comment about it. If you want to know how some of these things are done, or what some of these things are, if I have not explained you certain things properly, you can ask them all in the description box. I will love to answer them all. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe. I make all these videos for you guys. Tell me how I can improve this and add more to this channel. Please do that. I would love to make videos on those lines, and watch more videos on this side of the screen. Until next time, bye.